Rating everything I ate flying economy class on EVA Air from Seoul, South Korea to San Francisco with a layover in Taiwan. Braised pork with rice. 5/10 tasted very salty. Tofu skin salad. 8/10 light sesame flavor and tasted refreshing. Vanilla cake with chocolate chips. 3/10 it was super dry. Next flight. Roasted chicken and potatoes. 7/10 decently seasoned and chicken was not dry. Peppered pork salad. 8/10 juicy pork and delicious pickles. Earl Grey cake for 10ths dry again. Kimchi with chicken and pickled radish. 8/10 very simple, but I love kimchi for breakfast.